Okay, I'm gonna make, I'm following a recipe. I looked it up online. This is not my recipe, and I changed it a little too. But anyway, I'm gonna make some baked chicken wings, and I wanted something kind of quick and easy. So this is what we're gonna do. This is what I'm doing. I've already done the process of everything, but I'll tell you what you should do, and then at the end I'll let you know how it turns out. But you'll need is you're gonna need some baking powder. It says use aluminum free, so I don't know if this is aluminum free or not, but I'm using it. About I don't know, about 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I used a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic, and I sprinkled onion powder on it. Not a lot, just kind of sprinkled it. About a quarter to a half of teaspoon of black pepper. I used a tablespoon of olive oil, and I used about a half teaspoon of salt, which I have my salt in there. What you need to do is basically put all those spices in a bowl and the oil and mix it up, and then you take your chicken wings, and you make sure they're thawed out, and then pat dry them, make sure they're real dry. This is supposed to help make it a little more crispy. And after that, you mix all of it up in a bowl, and then you put your chicken down in the bowl and mix it up real good and get the seasoning covered all over it. And so I've already done that, but this is what it looks like. All right, this is raw chicken, and it's been coated lightly. The other thing that I read was you want to use a wire rack. That kind of helps keep the air flowing through it, and you don't want the chicken touching, which some of mine are, but it's supposed to, you want the air to flow around it. That'll help make it crispy. Set the temperature to the oven at 425. And what I'll do is I'm going to put it in the oven now. I'll cook it 30 minutes, and then I'll check it in another 30 minutes. I don't know if I have to turn it or not, so I'll let you know that. So, all right, so let's just go ahead, open up that. Let's put it on the middle. Uh-oh. See, this is lack of planning in what I'm doing, sorry. So I've got it on a wire rack. Put it in the middle of the oven. There we go. And close the lid. All right, I'll be back in about 30 minutes. I'm gonna set the timer. Yeah, I checked it out. I'm going to cook it the 30 minutes, and then I'll flip them and cook them another 20 or 30 minutes. So they're in the oven. They've got about 27 more minutes. All right, we'll see you on the other side. It's been 30 minutes. I'm about to turn them over, but take a look how they're looking right now. They're already looking amazing, and they definitely look crispy, so that's what I want. So we'll see. All right, signing out. Okay, I just turned them. Take a look. They were a little moist on the underside, so now I understand why you have to turn it. So look. See there, you can tell they're a little more moist on the other side. So we're about to put them back in for another 25 minutes or so, 20 to 30. All right, we'll do that. Sign out. All right, it's been another 25 minutes. So the first 30, I turned it, and then 25 more, and now I'm about to take it out. This is what it's looking like down in there. They're looking nice and hopefully crispy. So I'll get I won't be able to do this with because I have to have both hands to do it, but I'll take them out and you'll see the final product. Okay, here's the final product. The only thing I would have done different is I probably would have put something underneath it to catch the grease, because it might be a little harder to clean. But look at this. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, I hope you liked this little short video on baked chicken wings. It took almost an hour and real easy to mix up the sauce and everything. So if you try it, let me know. And I'm about to eat them, so signing out.